Alright, so next topic naman, no, for this MES short video, no, is all about uh, variable and absorption costing. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng variable and absorption costing, no? Class, pag sinasabing variable costing, it is also known as direct costing. Okay, what else? Pag sinasabing variable costing, it is based on the internal reports. That's why in variable costing, if you notice, our computation for the net income is that sales minus your variable cost is equals to contribution margin less fixed cost, and you have your net income. Anong tawag doon? Contribution margin format. And also class, in terms of the variable costing, no? Yan ay based on functional and behavioral. But how about naman in terms of your absorption costing? Kung ang variable costing is for internal reporting purpose, ang absorption costing naman is for external reporting purpose. It is traditional income statement. That's why class, ang ating formula for absorption is sales minus cost of sales is equals to gross profit minus your OPEX, and you have your net income. Please take note, kung 10,000 ang net income mo, sa variable costing, dapat 10,000 din ang income mo sa ating absorption costing. Parehas lang naman sila, no? The treatment lang is that in variable costing, functional and behavioral, while in absorption costing, functional and traditional. Ito class, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, no? The most important consideration in absorption and variable costing is the treatment of our fixed overhead. Because in absorption costing, again, please take note, in absorption costing, the fixed overhead is considered as product cost. What do you mean of product cost? Ibig sabihin, inventoriable cost. While in variable costing, the treatment of the fixed overhead is period cost to be expensed outright. In the board exam, doon class nakakatalo, no? The treatment of the fixed overhead wherein considered as product cost, inventoriable cost in the absorption costing, while in variable considered as period cost. So again, thank you and see you all. Bye-bye.